how to set Steam privacy settings. First, you want to simply open your Steam website or Steam application over here. Once you're inside your Steam, what you're going to do is you're going to simply tap on your profile over here. And once you're inside your profile, you can simply tap on manage profile option over here. If you don't find it over here as well, what you can do is you can simply tap on your username at the top right of your screen and tap on account details. Once you're inside your account details, you'd be able to find all kinds of privacy features over here. You can simply tap on security and devices as well, and by doing so you'd be able to see all kinds of security options over here, and you'd be able to make your preferences over here as well. If you want to tap on data and browsing, you'd be able to find all kinds of analytics and your data and browsing over here. And if you want to maintain any kinds of privacy, you'd be able to check your privacy settings over here as well. You'd be able to tweak your settings over here however you prefer, and by doing so you can simply save your changes over here as well once you have made any kinds of changes. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.